Hi everyone, this is Suraj. Today we learn about how to optimize a slow MySQL query. So let's take the topic. How to optimize a slow query. Okay. So so this is a common topics we have to cover. This is important in backend side. Okay. So let's go with a step first. First, identify the problem. First, identify the problem. Okay. So first we see, like, is the query slow? Is the query slow, or is the server overload? Or we can check, is indexing missing? Okay. So in optimization, there is a rule called never guess, always analyze. Analyze. Okay. Okay. So let's go with the step two. Use explain. Okay. This is the most common. Okay. So in MySQL, we use something example called explain. Select string from orders. Okay, where customer ID is equal to 10. Okay, so what the explain do? So it generally show some in debugging type of info, like which index use. Okay, and number of rows scanned, and join type, or whether full table scan is happening. Okay, so these are some examine tools, examine data they have displayed. So if we see, if you see type is equal to all, that's mean they are, that means full table scan. Okay, this is usually slow. Okay, so let's go with this is the some analysis tool we use Inside the MySQL you use explain, and they have also alternative of Microsoft SQL Server called is something so some text user files etc. Okay, so let's go step 3. Add proper index. Okay, so most slow query. So there is called most slow query are slow. Slow because missing indexes. They have missing indexes. Okay, so example, we just create index of IDX of customer ID on orders of customers ID. This is applier indexing inside the customer IDs. Okay, so indexes indexes help MySQL find row faster. Okay, indexes basically help MySQL find row faster. So, but remember, like too many indexes, basically they have slowed down our they basically slow down our insert and update. Okay, so use indexing only frequently search column. So they have sometimes use indexes only on frequent search column. This is a basic guideline. So good candidate basically, so they have some good candidates of where clause, where column, and they have also some join column and order by column and group by column. These candidates we can apply it in the indexing systems. Okay, so let's go step 4. Avoid select string asterisk. This is a bad practice. Okay, these are basically bad practice. Example like select asterisk from order. Okay, this is a bad. The better we use basically better use select ID, comma, use order date, total amount from order. This is a better way. We also practice up these steps. So selecting only needed column, they have selecting only needed column. Basically, they have reduced memory and reduced network load and improve speed. Okay, so this is we can follow it. Okay, let's go in step 5. Optimize where condition. Okay, so avoid using function inside the indexes column. So there is some guidelines they have. Avoid avoid using function on indexed column. That example we take, select asterisk from user where year created at equal to 2024. Okay, this is a big indexing using. Okay, so better we can use select star from user where created at between. We pass the date 2024 and 2024 dash 12 dash 31. This is more better. They use the indexing benefits. They apply the indexing. Okay, so now indexing can be used. Okay, let's go step 6. Optimize joins. Joins. So make sure join columns are indexes, and avoid unnecessary left join. Unnecessary left join. Okay, use inner join if possible. If possible. Okay, so there is some bad example. Select a string from orders. Order says who. Left join. Customer. C on o dot customer. ID is equal to CID. This is a bad example. Okay, so in this scenario, they have just conceptually they have order to customer. They must be matched to each other, and we filter apply on the customer IDs, and they make sure that is common. So we avoid the left join. If we need, if I only need match record, let's make sure without customer they have no order. So we use the okay. So there is condition called we need a match records only. So instead of use inner join. Okay. Okay. Let's come with step 7. Use limit of large data for large data. Okay. So the query is something called select orders limit 20 offset have 0 means first. Never load 1 million rows in front end. In front end. Use pagination. This is a bit good way we can use it. Okay. Okay, let's go step 8. Check slow queries. Check slow query log. Okay, enable slow query log in MySQL. Okay, it record query t query takes more than x second. Help identify real bottlenecks. Okay, that happening inside. Okay, so let's go step 9. Normalize, denormalize carefully. Normalize or denormalize. Okay, so too many join, they are slow. If we use too many join, it is slow. Okay, something denormalize improves performance, but carefully. Okay, so something denormalize improves performance. Okay, but carefully. Okay, so something we can denormalize carefully. They improve performance, but carefully we can do. So let's step 7. Check execution plan and index type and index. Okay, look for type ref or const. Ref or const are good. They have type all is bad. Possible key and key used. Always analyze execution plan before and after change. Okay. Okay, so let's take some important points here. So too many. Okay, so to optimize a slow MySQL. Okay, so first use explain to analyze execution plan. And second, we have add proper indexing. Like so, third, we avoid star. And optimize where condition. And fifth, we take improve join and use pagination. And seventh, we have monitor slow query. Okay, so let's take a final advice. Optimization is not about Optimization not just about a guessing, it about ana- measuring, analyzing, and improve step by step. Thank you. This is about everything. So let's some rephrase it. So the topic is how optimize a slow query. So first we take identify the problem. Why the slow? It query slow, it, it is server overloaded, or it indexing is missing. So never guess, always analyze. In MySQL, we use explain keyword for most common steps we follow. In, okay, so in MySQL we generally use explain, select star from order where customer ID is 10. Explain show we have which index use, number of rows scanned, joins type, whether full table scan is happen. If you see type all, that's mean full table scan. This is usually slow. And same another way also have in Microsoft SQL something so profile they also analyze that part. Okay. Then add proper indexes. The most slow queries are slow. The most slow queries are slow because missing indexes. Example. Example we can create index IDX underscore customer I underscore ID on index on order of customer IDs. Indexing helps MySQL find row faster. But remember, too many indexes slow down insert and update. Use indexing only on frequent search column. Good candidates are where column, join column, order by, and group by columns. Avoid select star. Bad practice. Select star from orders. Better we use select ID, order date, total amount from orders. Selecting only needed column are reduce memory, reduce network load, improve speed. Optimize where condition. So avoid using function in on indexed column like select star from users where year of created ad is equal to 2024. This break index uses. Better we can use select star from user where created at between 2024 0101 and 2024 1231st. Now indexing can we use optimize joins. Make sure joins column are indexed. Avoid unnecessary left join. Use inner join if possible. Bad examples select star from orders. O. Left join customers. C. On O dot customer ID is equal to C dot ID. If we only need match record, use inner join. Use limit for larger data. Select star from order limit orders limit 20 offset 0. Never load 1 million rows in front end. Use paginations. And come from another point. Check slow query log. Enable slow query log in MySQL. It record query takes more than X seconds. Help identify real bottlenecks. Then normalize or denormalize carefully. Too many joins slow. Sometimes denormalize improve performance, but carefully. Check execution plan and index type. Look for type ref. Const is good. Type all bad. Possible key used. Always analyze execution plan before and after change. Let's take important point. To optimize a slow MySQL query, use explain to analyze execution plan. Add proper indexing. Avoid select star. Optimize where condition. Ignore joins. Improve joins. Use pagination. Monitor slow query. Final advice we take. Optimization is not just about guessing, it's about measuring, analyzing, and improving step by step. This is all about. Thank you.